AI isn't just changing how we work, it's replacing full-time jobs entirely. In 2025, some of the most powerful AI tools can do the work of entire teams, faster and cheaper. In this video, we'll show you 5 AI tools that are already replacing full-time jobs, and how people are using them to automate everything from writing to video editing and even graphic design. Let's dive in before your job does too. First up, ChatGPT. It's more than just a chatbot. With GPT-4 Turbo, it can handle entire roles, writing blog posts, emails, and ad copy, summarizing reports and doing in-depth research, automating customer support conversations. Companies are already replacing junior writers and support agents with ChatGPT-powered workflows. And with tools like Zapier and OpenAI API, it can even run tasks automatically, no human needed. Next is MidJourney, the AI image generator that can create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Businesses are using it to design logos, thumbnails, social media posts, product mockups. In 2025, entrepreneurs and content creators are using MidJourney instead of hiring designers, especially for one-off or low-budget projects. With AI quality improving, basic graphic design work is quickly being automated. Video editing? AI's already got it covered. Pictory AI can turn scripts or blog posts into full videos, complete with stock footage, transitions, subtitles, and voiceovers. It's the go-to tool for YouTube channels, TikTok, and Instagram Reels explainer videos and promos. What used to take hours with a video editor can now be done in minutes with AI, for a fraction of the cost. A lot of creators are quietly replacing their editors with Pictory. Tired of building slides manually? Tome creates stunning presentations just from a short text prompt. Think investor pitch decks, product launches, business proposals. In seconds, it pulls visuals, writes content, and formats everything automatically. What used to take a designer or strategist half a day, Tome can do in under 5 minutes. It's already being used in startups, sales teams, and even schools. Finally, we've got ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator on the market. It can clone voices, narrate scripts, and deliver voiceovers in multiple languages and tones. YouTubers, audiobook creators, and ad agencies are now using AI voices instead of hiring voice actors. And with custom cloning, brands can create a consistent voice that's available 24/7. No studio needed. This is already disrupting the voiceover industry in a major way. These AI tools aren't just helpers. They're full-blown job replacers. But here's the good news. You can either be replaced by them or use them to your advantage. Want to learn how to make money using AI? Subscribe to AI Pioneer, hit the like button, and check out the links in the description for all the tools we covered. I'll see you in the next one, before AI beats me to it.